In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your iPhone to iCloud, and we'll do it all in just around 5 minutes. Backing up your iPhone is an essential task that ensures all your valuable photos, contacts, and important data are safely stored in the cloud. This way, if you ever lose your device or accidentally delete something, you'll have peace of mind knowing everything is securely backed up and easily recoverable. Let's jump right in and start with the first step. Begin by unlocking your iPhone and navigating to your Settings app. Once inside Settings, tap on your name at the top of the screen. This action will take you to a menu with options related to your Apple ID, iCloud, iTunes, and App Store. Here you'll want to select the iCloud option. This section of your settings is where you manage everything related to iCloud, including storage, apps using iCloud, and most importantly, your backups. Now that we're in the iCloud settings, locate and select iCloud Backup. This option is typically towards the bottom of the list, so you might need to scroll down a bit to find it. Once you're in the iCloud Backup menu, you'll see a toggle switch labeled Backup this iPhone. If it's not already enabled, go ahead and turn it on. By doing this, you're allowing your iPhone to automatically back up to iCloud whenever it's plugged in, locked, and connected to Wi-Fi. Automatic backups are a convenient way to ensure your data is regularly saved without you having to think about it. For those of you who might be backing up manually or doing this for the first time, there's an additional step you can take. In the same iCloud backup menu, you'll find the Backup Now option. Give that a tap and your iPhone will start the process of backing up immediately. This can take a few minutes depending on the amount of data you have and your internet connection speed. It's crucial to stay connected to Wi-Fi during this process. Backing up uses a lot of data, and Wi-Fi ensures that the backup is completed quickly and without any interruption. So make sure your phone remains connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network until the backup is finished. And there you have it, you've successfully backed up your iPhone to iCloud. This straightforward process takes only a few minutes and is a great habit to protect your data. Make sure to check back frequently to perform backups and maintain this redundancy. Check your iCloud storage occasionally to ensure you have enough space for future backups, and consider upgrading your storage plan if necessary. Thanks for watching today's tutorial, and I hope it helps keep your information safe and secure. Happy backing up!